Well, guys,
Okay.
all right, well, you know what, I mean, let's just start out this with saying, what is up, guys? Caleb here with Cameron with Oxide Motor Club, and today we are at another guy's house just doing some wiring work, lighting. This ought to be fun. I don't think we came too prepared for this.
No, we did not.
All right.
I don't know.
All right, there's your answer. We did not come prepared. Oh, Christ. We see you, Jesus. Yeah, this ain't good, guys.
That's my mouth.
All right, let me just show you guys what we're doing. Okay, so we're putting light bars in all of these. You goddamn right. Now, if you guys don't know this already, Cameron's vehicle of choice is one hell of a dick move. There it is. We're putting light bars all over this thing. This is going to be one hell of an interesting time.
I think so.
No, it's going to be interesting. So, oh shit. Anyway, here's how we're wiring. Yep, this is it. Yep, this is how we're gonna do things. Today, you're about to see. Maybe. I suppose. Yeah, this is. I have no words for this. Honest to God. I have no words.
Listen, you don't have proper tools and you don't feel like going to the radio shop. You know what you do? You just get some fucking brand new jumper cables. Decide to cut them all.
Jesus Christ.
This will work, alright? 8-gauge wire.
Well, yeah, we got 8 gauge, except it's not just wires.
No, I think everyone's like a French right now.
My God.
Alright, you take my money back now.
They ain't gonna take your money back. That's the thing.
Too bad. Boom.
That's one.
No.
Oh my God.
If anyone needs clamps, just let me know.
I mean, if you want to rebuild jumper cables,
Yep. I got your clamps.
if that's the way that you're trying to do things,
For free.
that's one hell of a deal there, guys.
Yep.
Free clamps, you know, signed.
Work on anything.
Oh shit! Yeah, that shit.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. I think we pissed off the neighbors. Oh yeah, not yet. Not yet.
Yep. Free clamps, everyone. Yeah, we work just.
Listen, if you're trying to get that quick snap on, snap off type shit.
Hey, we got the 8-gauge.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Fuck yeah. You got to come strapped or get clapped.
Where else would the battery be? I don't know. My side.
Dear God, he's gonna use it like the whip. Oh wait, I shouldn't really be saying that. Hang on, he's gonna use it like the belt. No, I won't, because I'm not even monetized.
Times with the interceptor, it's actually a crack that runs from passenger side straight back for more wire. So a lot of times that's where they like to put all the relays and housing in the front.
Jesus, 4?
What happens, man?
like literally the interceptor.
For the interceptors, when they actually like don't matter.
I suppose, but I mean, at the same time, I feel like a lot of what they did was conceal the wires quite a bit.
Well, see, the thing is, I follow interceptor builders on TikTok, and
Gotta love the talk.
they have a receiver lit up with fuses, lights, and everything to control everything that they put in these in the back.
Oh, and mine I actually had like a cardboard deck. Inside the truck had like 4 or 5 boxes.
Now, remember, children, this is all perfectly legal.
Exactly. Not a siren yet.
We don't say that word yet. All right, it's legal. It's legal. Conveniently.
No, I found a hole. I can get my finger in it. It's
Okay, but
like,
wait.
straight back behind the strut mount.
Where? Oh, straight back there.
Yeah, it is like, you see this black wire here?
Yep.
Yeah, that black wire runs down, and it's actually behind the strut mount, and then it comes out under the dash up in there, under the footwell.
Jesus Christ.
I got an idea.
Oh no, he's got an idea. The last time we said this.
Feed it through. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, feed it through the inside to the outside, and then we'll just work our way out. We can, we'll actually probably come up in here.
I was about to say, I mean,
Yeah, just like
if we can make,
holes and zip tie that right up there.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Because if we can get a few holes drilled or something like that, and zip tied all together, we can make it like a little bridge type of thing.
Yeah, there's not enough.
Is he coming through?
Like, there's a little bit more meat up front in the Crown Vics where you could actually just run everything.
Well, yeah, but aren't those ones the normally the 4.6? Or am I thinking?
Yes.
Okay.
Those are the 4.6 Romeos or Windsors, depending on what factory you're at.
2 valve or 3 valve? No, 2 valve. 2 valve. Because it's a 4.6 V8, so it is the 2 valve.
Yeah.
I don't know why I thought about the V3. Wait, hold up. Where? Is it? You sure?
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Where? I don't see it.
Here, if you come over here.
Here, I'll see. Oh, there's the thing though. If you come over here,
Right in the side there, behind the strut mount.
I see it. God, that little rat bastard.
Hammers.
Hammers.
Got it. Well, that was actually easier than I anticipated that being.
Yeah, no shit. now it's just a matter of feed it through.
Yeah, the hard part's done now. The hard part is done.
He's got the smoke of recognition.
This is the smoke of I'm about to dedicate way more hours of my life to this than I wanted to.
You ever heard of those 45-minute projects that take 4.5 days? Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, well, this is a 4.5 day project that we're trying to do in 45 minutes.
This ain't a 4-day project. I've seen light bars get put in like 3 hours.
Yeah, because those people have experience. We're
No, we're doing what we're doing.
we're a bunch of fucking idiots. This is what we are.
Yeah. Just not with
Well, okay. Here's the thing: the people that more than likely,
people go over there.
the people that more than likely do this kind of fun stuff are like professionals. We're just a bunch of ragtag team of fucking idiots. Let's get it done.
Just that way it stays up and hidden.
So let's take a look here. So you got your power stroke here. So it will not start when it's hot, but will start when it's cold. Is that what I'm inferring correctly?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
So what we do is we pull the filter minder.
Okay.
Take the that is safe.
What the fuck?
That's what it's right there. For gas and diesel engines.
Did you ever notice how this retard right here just had one time of his life with that little PA system?
So we're going to press this button. This is the auto start. Get the green light. Here you go. We can press. Now we're going to do a couple sprays in here. And wait till she starts cranking. And we'll give her one more spray. She'll fire right up. And diesel noise.
It's not bad. See, kids, the more you know. Whoa! We got some weird shit going on here. scared for my life. Sit. Oh, Jesus. Alright, you know what? You need to calm it down there, Junior.
Oh my god.
You remind me of my gym teacher from
Oh my god.
kindergarten.
This is
first
how it
grade.
sounds. Look. I can't look. You're looking for a tiny ass
Yeah,
head.
dude, I literally, not even the camera can see this. What are you doing?
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Oh, I see that. Yeah, I see what you're doing there. I see what you're doing there.
Oh,
Okay, there we go.
intriguing.
Yeah, now you can show the people.
But yeah, that's what I was trying to say. I see what you're doing.
All right,
Yeah, you gotta put that back on.
because you know we can't be without a hat for a day.
No.
All right, so,
You said,
So, the first you don't succeed, you get a bigger hammer.
Hold on. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you gonna run? You running that side through there first? Then?
We're gonna connect the whole length of wire and then we're gonna run it, so that way we know what we have to cut off.
Okay.
Jesus.
See, guys, this is why I don't do wiring.
This is why I don't touch any of this shit. I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
So, this is definitely the wrong fucking tool.
Yeah, you don't say, but you know what? If it works, it works, because it is what it is.
Gentle squeezes!
I don't really know if that's gentle or whether or not that was sarcasm, but
Oh,
oh my god.
body acid, you know.
Well, take two.
So, first you don't succeed. Just place your tool down here.
Oh, focus, Jesus.
And,
Oh, that's not. Oh god. Okay.
lean on it. And try to.
I don't know if dropping the neon is gonna fucking do anything. Oh my god.
Is that the fact that this is not like compressing?
No, the sad thing is, this isn't how you're supposed to do this, but at the same time, me as a creator, you guys as the people, we don't condone any of this shit.
No, we do not try this at home, despite the fact it's being done at home.
No, well, at your home, not my home. Thank God.
If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, look, I'm sitting on.
We are
on the,
almost there.
almost as in 25%.
Yeah, something like that.
Ah, yes, Ford Interceptors, one of the best vehicles ever made.
I mean, they really are.
Well, yeah, if you have the V6 twin turbo. But if you can find those packages, that's you're Jesus.
There's no Jesus here.
God is off the chat. Oh my God.
Dude, I like the jump screw on my wrist too. Oh Jesus. I didn't do it.
What the hell? What the hell? Well, my man over here has been fucking around saying that he's gonna use a hammer all goddamn day. Well, my man's actually using a hammer. I mean, actually using a hammer.
Actually working?
A hammer. Wait, really? Well, I'll be damned.
It looks like shit.
I mean,
It's fine. Give me electrical tape before I break it.
yeah. No, that way. Do you actually have electrical tape?
Fucking better.
Okay.
Your whole ass better have some tape. We seriously not get electrical tape?
I think it's in the box right under his arm. Under his arm.
This is center. This is the center console.
That is a center console, my dude. Not a glove box.
Center console, it don't matter.
Yeah, it kind of does. I mean, if you're gonna, never mind.
It's somewhere in there.
Somewhere in the mix. Jesus Christ!
Aha! Here.
Don't touch my top.
Find it?
I did.
Oh, thank God. Rainy will. Hey, that's my magnificent tape.
All right. Oh. Oh.
It took you to Parkway, didn't it?
Huh?
Did you end up going back that way? Oh, wow.
Ah, yes. What a wonderful day it is to sit inside the interceptor. Hey boys, what did we just find?
Okay, so this man here digging through his cars, we're trying to do the wiring. We just found the officer's cheat sheets.
Basically, if you guys don't understand this, what these do is like if an officer doesn't know like what he's talking about.
Dude. The Miranda rights card.
Oh my God.
Oh, state police too.
Oh, Jesus
Illinois State
Christ.
Police custodial interrogation Miranda warning.
Jesus Christ.
It's got it in friggin' Spanish, bro.
See you stat. Wait,
Where's
go
the
back.
English
No,
side?
go back. Fuck you, go back. See you stat. No puede pagar un.
I'm pretty sure that's not how any of it said. But...
No, it's really not. But I'm autistic anyway. All right.
Su usted no puedo. Well, let's see here. Illinois State Police custodial interrogation Miranda warning. After each part of the following warning, the officer must determine whether the suspect understands what he is being told. What? No cheese?
Hey, listen. It's not 2019 around this time when this car first came around.
Before we ask you your questions, it might be to advise you of your right. Oh, actually, hold on, I got it.
Get the
All
cops
right, sir. Before asking any questions, it's my duty to advise you of your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court or other proceedings. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and have them with you during questioning. You cannot afford a lawyer. One will be appointed to you free of any cost to you before questioning if you wish.
Stand up right now. You're gonna look at me, and you're gonna don't look at me. Don't look at me. You're gonna stand in a position of attention. You're not gonna move. You're not gonna touch your shitty little face. You understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
The fact
This is my Honda Civic. There are many like it, but this one is mine.
I just got a little intimidated just by standing behind him on that.
Dude, that shit was fucking crazy.
Like, straight up.
God damn.
hold on.
Oh shit. Hey. We're not trying to kill you yet, alright? Just calm down.
Oh, he's gonna intimidate the shit out of me.
Boss, look at me. Right here. Scream.
Show me your war face!
And just as quickly as the others, they're like,
Life in the Marines. Welcome to it.
That was a little intimidating.
Well, I mean, it'd be a little more intimidating if it wasn't like a cartoonish, like, scream. It'd be different.
Oh, it's God's parts the drill instructor.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Live
bud.
for that day.
Okay, boy. We going to act. Oh, hell no. Alright, I'm cutting that one. Hold up. What else is tight? Nope, not that. No sexual references here. Hang on a second. No, I don't have to think about that.
You need to go.
That's where it needs to sit. Alright.
Oh, Jesus. Anywho. It's almost mounted. You know, it'd be like the fifth time we dropped it. Maybe even more, I don't know. My eyes. They hurt. Bro, my man over here is bumping. You hear that? Oh my god. Oh yeah, but he also has his turn signal on still. Oh boy.
Go select.
Quick update, it is nightfall. I need this 20. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, that's all the way in, but that doesn't work. For some fucking reason.
No, just not that.
Two dead switches.
Of course.
You have light in every single switch, but these two. And it's wired to that one.
Oh shit! Almost seen Jesus. Oh shit! You almost seen Jesus. Here, you got it. All right. Well, fuck, man.
So don't mess with this. That's the whole reason.
Damn, all that work.
Make sure that's off. That's off. How much
Might
power
want to pull
does it
the.
use?
You might want to pull the power.
Yo, guys, so check this out.
I was gonna say, you do realize you just like inadvertently just brought me into your channel.
Yeah, I don't really care. Anybody can do it. All right, hold up. You ready? Let's take a look at this. All right, starts right up. Hit the switch.
Ready?
Yeah, hit the switch. Holy shit! Oh my god! Holy fucking shit! Is this the light of day? Holy fuck, guys! Oh my god! Yo! This is fucking bright! Oh my god! Yo, hang on. Hey, I can get a picture of this real quick. Give me a second. I'm gonna quit recording. Hey. So, guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I will be doing another one tomorrow since that light bar was just only one, as you guys saw earlier. We couldn't get the rest of them hooked up just because it's nighttime. We do not want to work in the nights. And,
No, I'm tired.
yeah, we're both kind of tired.
You have 5 more to go.
Yeah. So, I mean, let's hope for the best. I'm a little tired. I've seen some weird shit tonight. I mean, really weird shit.
Yeah.
That I don't even know how to explain that.
I don't either.
That was weird, yo. I can. Oh.
I really don't.
All right. I don't even know. I might explain it in depth tomorrow, but right now I'm just too tired to do that. So this is it for today's video. If y'all liked it, please be sure to hit that like button. If you're new, subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to tap that notification bell. Get some more updates from me. And be sure to check out the social medias as well. Snapchat, Instagram. We do have the private club on Facebook. And you can now find me on TikTok. I will see you guys in the next one.